So you might be in a situation where your iPhone mail application is not showing the mails, or maybe it's not refreshing or anything remotely close to that. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you have linked up your specific account email to your specific mail application. So you can see for this side iPhone I do not have my accounts associated. But let's say you do and you do see some emails. Well, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings like this. You want to go ahead and find the Mail tab. So the Mail app is right here. You want to click on it, and all you're going to want to do is under Accounts, you want to click on Accounts, and you want to basically find your specific email account that you have. Now under Fetch New Data, you also want to make sure that this is either automatically, you do not want to have it manually or hourly unless you're okay with that and you know what you're doing. You probably want it to automatically push, that way when new emails come, they basically get refreshed. So make sure this is on and make sure automatically is enabled as well. Now you can also click onto that account. So click into that account and make sure you have that account actually associated and it's the right account that you have. Because if you don't, well, that's going to be the issue. If you do not see that email account associated in this specific mail application, well, that is going to be the problem. So make sure you have added that account. So you can click on add account. You can go and add that account like this. Or what you can do is if you see that account and it's still not working, you can delete that email account and then add that account back in and see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, another thing you may want to try doing is, let's say you go back into the application and the emails are still not loading or they're not showing up. Well, make sure you're receiving the emails. Make sure you're on an internet connection of some sort. So make sure you have data connection, you have Wi-Fi. If you're watching this video, there's probably internet. So make sure you are properly connected to internet of some sort. But also, if it's still not working, you may have to go ahead and update your iPhone. There are many times where a lot of these stock applications have messed up of some sort and Apple has pushed out an update. So make your way over to your settings application like this, click on General, click on Software Update, and just go ahead and install the latest update, and that could probably end up fixing the problem too. If that's still not working, you may want to check to see if Apple services are down. Sometimes their servers can be down and their mail applications and all their services may not be functioning. So that's another thing you may want to take a look at as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.